channel. This video is a video that was requested from my last video. I actually had this hair on, so you guys wanted to see and know about the hair, and I was like, let me do a hair review. Now I know I have this hair on, and if you guys want a review on this hair that I currently have on as well, I can do that. But today we're gonna focus on Miss Curly here, and we're going to talk about her. This hair, it did come in with a satin bag. I do apologize. So this is a satin bag. This is a satin bag that it came with. Okay, so it is the Bang Jazz Lift Up Your Beauty, child. Anyways, but yeah, so it is from Bang Jazz. I did get it from Amazon. Here's my tip on ordering from Amazon. Look at the reviews, look at how many people ordered, look at the pictures, look at their honest reviews, and people will be honest, trust me, because they're using their hard-earned money. So this is my honest review, and I will leave the link to the hair and everything down below. So I actually already cut the lace and I bleached it as well, so you can see I already have it, and obviously I wore it in my last video, and I will be installing it here in this video, so you guys stay tuned for that. Excuse me. So this is a 26-inch deep wave Brazilian hair. It is a 4x4. This wig isn't a 4x4. This wig is a 13x6, but this is a 4x4. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to wet it and actually apply it, because I like to apply it in the wet when it's wet. But I wanted to show you guys the actual curl pattern, and this is how much parting space you get. It can go back further, but obviously it is pretty it's pretty much plucked. It was pre-plucked, but I plucked it just a little bit and I bleached it. My next wig, I will bleach it and pluck it on camera. But today we're gonna lay this baby on, we're gonna get her on, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it. And also, if you're wondering why am I all made up, I was filming reels tonight. So if you guys want to see my reels and how I did this reel, check out my Instagram and I'll leave that down below. So I need to slow down sometimes. Let this wig up and I'll come back with it wet and we'll put it on. Call me Mr. Put It On. All right, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna put her on. As you can see, when it is wet, it is stretched out a lot more, so you see the length a little bit better. So I am feeling a little vulnerable right now, you know. Okay, so we're gonna put her on. Like I said, it's a little wet. I'm gonna make sure it's right in the middle.
Oh Lord,
Guys, so I know this is like a whole nother video, but I'm gonna go ahead and redo this, because the last video, obviously the introduction to this video, I didn't really take my time, so this time I'm really going to. So I'm obviously straightening my part a little bit. Excuse my nails. So my part is straightening, and we're gonna do our baby hairs. I'm using these clips to pull back the hair, and then we're gonna do it. And I'm looking at my mirror back there, so don't judge me. Excuse my nails, y'all. Like, I am allergic to acrylic. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. I'm allergic to it. So now it's just been, every time I get acrylics done, I just came back from Houston. Every time I get acrylics done, it messes up my nails. Let's just not curse. It messes up my nails, so we're gonna do this side as well to hide that lace. Guys, the hair is all over my lip gloss or my lip balm. This one's a little tricky. Hairs, I'm gonna re-secure those hair back. And now we're gonna do the baby hair. I'm not sure if I want to do like a middle one or if I want to do the side ones. Hold on. The side one we're gonna see first. So now it's time to cut it. I'm scared, but it is time to cut it. I don't care. We are using, hold on. We're gonna use our hair scissors. I am using hair scissors because that's preferable. I'm gonna cut them a little bit short. This side is missing a little bit more hair than it should have. And we're gonna use spritz. And it is the Fantasia Super Hold Spritz. The Fantasia Super Hold the Fantasia the hell this the Fantasia Super Hold Spritz. And this is the my friend told me about it. This is a 30% more, and this is the 50% more. This is the one I should be using, but I'm gonna spray that right at my hairline to keep those baby girls down. The melt is definitely happening though. All right, we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see which way I want to do my baby hairs. I definitely want a little bit of curls at the end. I'm gonna do the 3-way one. It's not called a 3-way, but I call it a 3-way. Could you imagine spraying this in your eye? Oh my god. And then you're in the emergency room like, oh, what's going on? I was trying to put my wig on. You know. I'm still getting good at baby hair. Not really that good at it, as you can see, but I do what I can with what I got. I'm gonna use a bigger mirror now because I'm really struggling.
It's higher hairstyles at this point. If you're gonna have to do all that shit. Really? I mean, not happening how I thought it would. But we're making this shorter and this shorter. Yeah, now I'm about to look like a fool.
And I think I figured it out. I was messing. Alright. I think I got it, guys. I really did. Alright, so I just did my baby hairs. It did take an hour to get it done, but it didn't take an hour to get it done, but it almost felt like it. So I'm going to take these down now and just, whoa. I'm going to get my comb and just, yeah. Keep these pushed back a little bit, and then we're gonna do our makeup, come back, show you the end results. Hopefully it is melted. Hopefully it looks better now because the last time it didn't. And my baby hairs, I still have to work on it. And when I come back, I'm gonna have the hair a little wetter. It got dry as I was working on it, but is the baby hair doing what it should? All right, so I did finalize the baby hairs like one last time before I did do my makeup. I cut this piece. I'm really feeling proud of her. Like, I think I did an okay job for the first time doing baby hairs on my own. So I'm gonna wrap this down, but I really do like it. I'm looking in the mirror right now. It looks good. I think once we really melt it, it's gonna look good. And yeah, tie her down. And we're going to leave that for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to just do my makeup. So it's going to be a little longer. Maybe like 20 minutes. And then we'll be back with a full look. Her. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So we are going. We're done. I did my makeup off camera, obviously. If you guys want to see how I do my makeup, leave a comment below. But I did the hair. And look, the baby hairs. I did it. And I, like, if you were watching the whole video, you could tell, like, I was struggling, but I actually ended up getting it right. If you see me looking back here, it's because I'm checking myself out. She looks good. She looks good. So the specs on the hair, I really love the hair. I've had the hair for 2 months now. The beginning of the video, I actually cut it because it wasn't working out, but I knew I had to finish it and post this hair review for you guys. So that's why I went ahead and finished the video. But I've had this hair for 2 months. I don't wear it every day. It is only a 4x4. It is a 26-inch, and I will leave the link to the hair down below. It is very soft, very manageable. All I do is I wet it, and I use this paddle brush, but I use this paddle brush to go ahead and comb the ends, get it untangled. It is not tangled at all. As you can see, all the curls are bouncy. It is giving volume. I also wear it wet, but it dries pretty quickly, so I'm guessing in order to wear it wet, I would have to mousse it, put some leave-in conditioner in it. And I'm going to sleep, so we're not going to do all that. So we're just going to rock it in the dry form. And I do believe in the previous half of the video, I had it wet. So if you guys like this hair, definitely get it. It is very affordable. Hope you all love the hair. I love it. It's giving... Oops. I hope it was recording because my camera just told me like it's supposed to die. But it is giving what it should, and I really like it. So if you guys definitely would like to get this hair, I did bleach the lace. If I didn't say that in the beginning, I did bleach the lace. I did do everything as far as plucking, and I did my own baby hairs, which I showed you guys how to do it. This is your go-to for baby hairs, like the Fantasia. Like, it also holds your wig down because I did not have to use any glue, and it is stuck. It is there. So whether you want to freshen up your baby hair, I would use the Fantasia hair spritz, the super hold. I'm telling you, super mega hold, whichever one, they're good. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to all of my social media, and I'll see you on my next video.